Welcome to a BEA What's in the Box video. I'm Jake with BEA Tech Services. Today, we're going to show you what's in the box of an IXIO-DT1, an activation and safety sensor for a sliding door. Inside of the box, the first thing you come across is a couple of different user's guides. Here's the regular user's guide pamphlet, about 16 pages in length. It contains all the different information about mounting, accessories, even troubleshooting. Here's a quick guide. It's only 4 pages in length. It's just a quick setup. What is the most essential thing you have to do to get this sensor working? And then we have a tech bulletin. This is talking about the old wave guide versus the new DRO that we're using today. This is all for the motion activation. Here's the actual sensor. This is what you'll see. If you go out in public, chances are you have seen this on any entry that is a sliding door. Inside of the cover, which you can pry off with a screwdriver, sensor looks like this. It actually has the harness on the side too, in case you need to know what the wire colors are and you don't have your user's guide. This is the microwave head for activation. Underneath is where the infrared projects for safety. Here's your harness. It's a plug and play into the sensor. You have a red and a black for power, a white and green for normally open and common, and a yellow for normally closed for activation. You have brown and blue for safety, and then you have 2 purple wires for monitoring. Make sure that you reference your ANSI standards for proper installation on the monitoring wires. Screw pack. 2 screws come in the package for the sensor to mount to the door. And then we have the IXIO mounting template. It tells you how far above the header, right from the bottom, that you have to be in order for it to be installed properly and work how you want it to. Right here, what you see before you is all the contents of the box, all put out onto the table. This is everything. Thanks for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed. And we hope that you learned everything you needed to know about what's in the box of an IXIO-DT1. If you like this video, leave us a like. Comment what sensors you want to see next. Even if you have a recommendation on a different kind of video, let us know in the comments down below what you'd like to see. If you need any tech support, call us at the number that's shown on the screen, or email us. If you want to learn more in depth about what the IXIO is and what it can do, make sure to reference our YouTube channel at BEA Sensors Americas, where we have all different kinds of videos about each sensor. Or reference BEA Tech Corner on the website. Until then, I'm Jake with BEA Tech Services, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care.